flash flood watch remains in effect through Wednesday morning. The flash flood watch continues for portions of east-central Wisconsin, south-central Wisconsin, and southeast Wisconsin, including the following areas: in east-central Wisconsin, Fond du Lac and Sheboygan. In south-central Wisconsin, Columbia, Dane, Green Lake, Iowa, Lafayette, Marquette, and Sauk. In southeast Wisconsin, Dodge, Jefferson, Milwaukee, Ozaukee, Washington, and Waukesha. Through Wednesday morning, more rounds of thunderstorms will bring periods of heavy rain from middle to late afternoon through the night. Total rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are expected, but localized amounts of 4 inches or more are possible. Flash flooding in urban areas will be possible if 1 to 3 inches of rain or more falls in a short period of time. Flash flooding will be possible in rural areas that have already received several inches of rain this past week. Precautionary preparedness actions. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee/Sullivan has issued a flood warning for the Crawfish River at Milford. At 5:15 p.m. Tuesday, the stage was 5.8 feet. Flood stage is 7.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast: rise above flood stage by tomorrow late evening, and continue to rise to near 8.7 feet by Monday evening. Additional rises are possible thereafter. Impact: at 9.0 feet, water approaches some homes in Milford. There is widespread flooding of roads and Riverbend Campground, about 5 miles upstream of Milford. River forecasts are available at the National Weather Service website for some, but not all river gauging locations. The 7-day river forecast takes into account past precipitation, soil moisture conditions, and predicted precipitation for the basin. Precipitation is for the next 24 hours in the future from April through September, and for 48 hours in the future from October through March. Severe thunderstorm watch number 356 remains valid until 9 p.m. CDT this evening for the following areas in Wisconsin. This watch includes 6 counties in south-central Wisconsin: Dane, Green, Lafayette; in southeast Wisconsin, Jefferson, Milwaukee, Waukesha. This includes the cities of Argyle, Belmont, Benton, Blanchardville, Brodhead, Brookfield, Cudahy, Darlington, Fort Atkinson, Franklin, Greenfield, Jefferson, Madison, Menomonee Falls, Monroe, Muskego, New Berlin, Oak Creek, Shullsburg, South Milwaukee, Watertown, Waukesha, Wauwatosa, and West Allis. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8:45 p.m. CDT for northwestern LaSalle, Oakland and Lee counties. At 8:12 p.m. CDT, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Polo to near Amboy to 6 miles northeast of Princeton, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 0.70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Ottawa, Dixon, Rochelle, Mendota, Oregon, Mount Morris, Walton, LaSalle, Byron, Amboy, Polo, Illville, Foreston, North Utica, Hillcrest, Stillman Valley, Franklin Grove, Ashton, Paw Paw and Naplet. Precautionary preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage across eastern Iowa and western Illinois. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure, and stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. At 7:59 p.m. CDT, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Fairhaven, or 10 miles southeast of Mount Carroll, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Milledgeville around 8:10 p.m. CDT. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Ideal, Carroll County Fairgrounds and Hit. Precautionary preparedness actions. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, southwestern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois. Until 10 p.m. CDT at 9:18 p.m. CDT, a severe thunderstorm was located over Sugar Grove, or near Aurora, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 0.60 miles per hour wind gusts in quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Wheaton, Romeoville, Plainfield, Oswego, West Chicago, Batavia, Lisle, Yorkville, Montgomery, North Aurora, Warrenville, Winfield, Sugar Grove and Boulder Hill, including the following interstates: I-55 between mile markers 263 and 264, I-88 between mile markers 106 and 128. This includes Warren University, DuPage County Fairgrounds, Fermilab, Illinois Math and Science Academy, Waubonsee Community College, and North Central College. Precautionary preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The tornado warning for southeastern Carroll County has expired. The tornado threat is diminished, and the tornado warning has been canceled. However, large hail and damaging winds remain likely, and a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for the area. However, gusty winds and heavy rain are still possible with this thunderstorm. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. CDT for northwestern Illinois. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service in the Quad Cities.